We're here in London. What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with another episode, and as you probably have seen through the feed, the OnePlus 6 is out. I won't spoil too much, and I'll leave my thoughts to the end. I'm just curious to hear what you guys think, but this camera, of course, is a dual camera setup. We've got a 16 megapixel main cam, that's f1.7, followed up by the 20 megapixel secondary sensor. As I said, here are all the shots, sample footage. I tested it out a ton. Let me know your thoughts. Out here on a beautiful day in London. We're actually chilling on the Millennium Bridge right now, and if you actually look down this way, that is the London Bridge. The rest of the shots obviously on this trip are all with the OnePlus 6, and we're actually going on a graffiti tour, so I think that's a great place to showcase the camera, test out, of course, all the colors, what this thing can do, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So, on to another bridge, Westminster this time. The thing that I probably noticed the most in this initial testing is the optical image stabilization on the 6. Very, very good. And we've actually made it to Westminster Palace, which is behind this bus, and Big Ben. Scaffolding! Obviously had to be when I was here, though. Now into this sweet little park area, and of course the OnePlus 6 has portrait mode. The front-facing one should be coming in a couple weeks, but now here are some shots of the rear portrait mode. Maybe our first models
I want to see it.
Are right there. Back into the hotel room, and the biggest things that I was impressed with the camera on the OnePlus 6, the image stabilization was on point. Very, very, very impressive. I thought the colors were great, the dynamic range was awesome, and I actually have videos coming out between the OnePlus 6 against other flagships for comparison's sake, but the OP6 was definitely out there. Of course, 4K 60, the footage was crispy. I love the fact that I could slow that down in post. I thought some of the portrait shots were a tad bit soft around the edges. That really depended on the lighting, but still very impressive. But despite that, I think a lot of these things can be fixed with software updates, but I've been absolutely blown away by the performance, and hands down, as I said, the best thing was the optical image stabilization. It was on point. All of the shots were in fact handheld, but let me know your thoughts down below with this beast. I know if you end up grabbing this phone, you definitely won't be disappointed. I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next episodes or vlogs. Peace!